Hi, I'm Anna. Today I would like to share you about Doodleoze video creator. Doodleoze is a new and revolutionary doodle video creator that focuses on helping you create attention-grabbing, professional-looking, explainer, sales, and training videos within minutes. It is focused on creating amazing doodle video content to help you get more leads and make more sales. Doodleoze is a perfect choice also for YouTube marketers, teaching and training, Facebook advertising, creating inspirational videos, and everything you can imagine. Key features of Doodleoze. It supports over 245 text animations with various effects like letter by letter, kinetic text in, kinetic text out and others. You will always find the one you need for the project. With Doodleoze, you can draw on blackboard, whiteboard, greenboard, paperboard, and even glassboard. You can choose from a large variety of drawing hands and even import your own hand. 500 doodle sketch images in both white and black and color. Within 100 full HD background videos to help make your videos richer. You can access to over 300 plus fonts. Full video project for this entire video, so you can learn, customize, and make it your own. Why you should buy Doodleoze. So effective. Doodleoze proprietary, highly advanced doodle animation technology enables you to make truly customized animations from templates. With just a few clicks, you can tweak a video by changing text, images or video clips, change positions of elements, add background video or image, and animate them as well. It's useful. Doodleoze was made by a combination of high-quality artworks, eye-catching animations, and well-organized scenes. So that it grabs attention, encourages viewer engagement, and enables consumers to recall information better than any other type of video. It's cheap. If you have worked with storytelling video marketing, the video company would charge thousands of dollars per minute for videos. With Doodleoze, you'll not get one but 10 videos for a fraction of the cost to produce one. Simple to edit. The software enables you to edit the text, logo and contact information, then export in a few minutes. Let me show you the demo video which created by Doodle Video Creator. Is ordering completely risk-free? Of course. At any point in the next 14 days, you decide Doodleoze is not right for you, simply send Doodleoze your receipt and they'll promptly send you a refund. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. If you want to get further information about Doodleoze, check the link below video.